and causing anyone any pain.
And now, positions that will get you P.A.I.D. now and forevermore. We're talking about positions that have high dividend paying yields that once added to your portfolio, and quite naturally you're going to monitor these particular positions, but they are poised to pay you now and will allow you to continue to build consistent income and wealth well into your retirement years. Now, at the start of each and every new quarter, there's a group of companies that announce their next dividend payments well before the actual earnings results. Now, listen to me closely. I'm giving you some inside information. Now, I'm going to make this wealth building, this wealth acquisition from trading and investing extremely easy for you. Now, yours truly, well, I look forward to these press releases because they are proof that my income stock portion of my portfolio is providing me with a pay increase each and every quarter. Now, you should incorporate an investment strategy, family members and listeners alike, that focuses on building a dividend income stream. The uber wealthy think it's mandatory. Now, if your stocks pay stable and growing dividends, the share prices are not the focus. You see, listen to me closely. If your stocks pay stable and growing dividends, then the share price is not necessarily the focus. If your dividends grow, you can rest assured the share prices must increase at some point as well. They will follow. Now, master limited partnerships, which are often known as MLPs, are companies that provide infrastructure assets and services in the energy sector. Now, the market often links MLP values with energy commodity prices, typically the value of crude oil. However, most MLPs have fee-based business models providing essential transportation, storage, and terminal services to the full range of energy producers, processors, retailers, and end users. Now, the best MLPs have business operations and client relationships that allow them to increase the distributions paid to investors every single quarter. And it's about the time in the new quarter that the dividend increases are announced. Okay? Now, I look forward to reading about how much of a pay raise my income producing positions, my income producing stocks, my income producing dividend paying positions. I look forward to reading about the increases that they're going to give me each and every quarter. Now, we are still early in the distribution announcing season, okay? But already there have been some strong growth numbers that have been announced. So at this time, I want you to write these positions down. I'm going to give you 5 companies that have distribution ratings of no risk of a distribution rate cut issued by the analysts. And these companies are positions that we can expect to continue their trajectory to the upside with regards to the dividend growth. The first position I want to give you, okay, is Magellan Midstream Partners, symbol MMP. Write that down. Magellan Midstream Partners, symbol MMP. Now, MMP primarily provides refined energy products, pipeline, and terminal services. And Magellan has now increased its distribution for 61 consecutive quarters. We're talking about you getting a dividend pay increase every quarter, going back 61 quarters. Now, the new distribution is 2% higher than last quarter's payout and up 9% compared to 1 year ago. Now, MMP yields 4.95%. Okay? Magellan Midstream Partners, symbol MMP. Now, the next position I want to give you, I'm going to give you 5. So you can pick and choose 5. The next position I want to give you is Phillips 66 Partners. Phillips 66 Partners, symbol PSXP. That's PSXP. Now, PSXP provides pipeline and storage and terminal services for its sponsor company, which is the crude oil refiner Phillips 66. Now, the new PSXP distribution is up 4.95% over last quarter and has been increased by 21.8% over the last year. This particular MLP yields 4.5%. So now you get that PSXP for Phillips 66 Partners, and you got the Magellan Midstream Partners, symbol MMP, giving you the positions that the uber wealthy use to get PAID. Next, Valero Energy Partners. Valero Energy Partners, symbol VLP. VLP. Now, VLP is another refiner-sponsored MLP, providing services for Valero Energy Corporation. Now, VLP just increased its dividend by 6.4%, and the new rate is 24.6% higher than the rate paid a year ago. Now, VLP yields 3.7%. So you've got Valero Energy Partners, symbol VLP. You got Phillips 66 Partners, symbol PSXP, and you've got available for you Magellan Midstream Partners, symbol MMP. And now, the next position I want to give you is Tallgrass Energy Partners. Tallgrass Energy Partners, symbol TEP. Now, TEP owns and operates both crude oil and natural gas interstate pipelines and the terminals where the oil and gas get on and off those pipelines. Now, since its 2013 IPO, Tallgrass Energy Partners has one of the strongest distribution growth records in the MLP space. This quarter, the payouts were increased 10.8% over the previous quarter. The distribution is up 22.5% over the last year. And TEP yields 7.2%. 7.2%. Next position I want to give you, and the last position, is Antero Midstream Partners. That's Antero Midstream Partners, trades under the symbol AM. AM. Now, AM provides natural gas gathering and water treatment services to its sponsor, Antero Resources, which is a natural gas exploration and production energy company. Now, AM's distribution was just increased by 6.7% and is up 28% year over date. And this particular MLP yields 3.7%. Family members, these growing distribution MLPs can be great buys that will get you PAID when the market is slow to price in new distribution increases. And over the last few months, beloved, MLP values have been tracking down with crude oil. Yet the number, that I just showed you, the number above what we call the yield above inflation at 3%, it shows us that the revenues and cash flow continue to grow for these MLPs. These MLPs report tax information on their IRS schedules K1s, and these tax forms add some work at tax filing time and generally makes these investments support fit for your IRA and other tax advantage accounts. These positions, however, notwithstanding the little headaches of how you file them on your tax returns, your profits, they can turn your retirement savings into a consistent stream of income. And these are positions, these MLPs, that will get you PAID. These positions have high yields and they're safe. Yes, they're safely located in long-term businesses that print money every year, no matter what the market does. These are companies that will pay you consistent dividends. We're talking about Tallgrass Energy Partners, symbol TEP. Antero Midstream Partners, symbol AM. Valero Energy Partners, symbol VLP. Phillips 66 Partners, symbol PSXP. And we're talking about that Magellan Midstream Partners, symbol MMP.